Hello friends, let's do the 16th chapter of this book, which is adverbs. Now what is an adverb? Adverb tells us more about the verbs. They answer the questions how, when or where. For example, see this. The snail moved slowly. So how did the snail move? It moved slowly. So answer will be slowly. Biju woke up late. When did Biju wake up? He woke up late. Sri is playing inside. Where is Sri playing? Sri is playing inside. Now say this. It adverbs tells us how the action takes place or took place, like quickly, lazily, slowly, loudly. When the action takes place, like this. When did Biju wake up? When the action take place or took place, today, early, soon or before or late. Where the action took place or takes place, there, here, near, far, etc. Now fill in the blanks with suitable how adverbs from the box. Advert dropped the flower was dash. Flower was accidentally. Accidently. Accidentally. The children walked to school happily. 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 The loudspeakers were blaring dash. Were blaring loudly. 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 I walked dash because the floor was slippery. I walked carefully. Carefully because the floor was slippery. No. Mother dash scolded Meena for lying to her. Scolded angrily. 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 Geethika got out of the bed dash because she was very sleepy. Got out of the bed lazily. 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 The pickpocket grabbed the purse dash and ran away. Grabbed the purse swiftly. Very fast. Swiftly. The lights were shining dash. The lights were shining brightly. Brightly. The detective solved the mystery case easily. 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 Chandra waited dash for her turn. Patiently. 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 Now come to page number 78. Take the correct when adverbs. Okay, when the work will be done, like that. Ali drinks milk daily or yearly. It should be daily. Sachika is having a party yesterday or today. Is having, so it will be today. Vasu is reading a magazine now or then. Is reading, so it will be now. We woke up early or tomorrow to go to school. We woke up early. I hope your wish is fulfilled afterwards or soon. Soon. My parents will come back from Shimla lately or tomorrow. Will come back tomorrow. Will is used, so it is future. The rain has stopped. The match will begin yesterday or soon. It will begin soon. The train arrived dash. The train arrived late or ago. The train arrived late or ago. We waited on the platform for a long time. The train arrived late. Fill in the blanks with suitable where adverbs. Okay. The children ran dash to play in Hina's room. The children went upstairs. Upstairs. I looked dash but couldn't find the keys. I looked everywhere. I looked everywhere. The mice were dash boldly. The mice were running around. You must shut the door when you go outside. The ball rolled dash from us. The ball rolled away. Come dash, it is getting cold. Come inside, it is getting cold. Vijaya stepped dash to let the bicycle pass. Vijaya stepped back. The cat leaped dash gracefully. Leaped down. Now come to this page, read the story and underline how, when, and where adverbs one has been done for you. A group of rats lived in a grocer's shop. They ate delicious wheat and ran happily. So, happily is underlined. But the shopkeeper's earnings suffered badly. How? How it suffered badly? We have to answer the how, when, and where adverbs. The grocer used to weep bitterly. How he wept? He wept bitterly. Then he bought a large cat to his shop. When? So this is then. When adverb is then. The cat lived inside. Where did the cat live? It lived inside. It moved swiftly. How it moved swiftly? And ate some mice every day. The mice called a meeting one day. They talked anxiously. How they talked? They talked anxiously. Let's get rid of this cruel cat now, the leader of the mice said. But how? Asked the mice curiously. All of them began to think. Then one mouse said, at night we should tie a bell around the neck of the cat. Whenever the cat moves towards us, the bell will ring and we will run away immediately. All the mice danced joyously. Just then an old and a wise mouse asked thoughtfully, who will bell the cat? No one had an answer. So now write the words you have underlined under the correct headings. How adverb is happily, badly, then bitterly, then swiftly, then anxiously, 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 then curiously, and immediately, then joyously, 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 then thoughtfully, thoughtfully, thoughtfully. When adverb is then, every day, and now. Okay. Then, every day, and this now also will come. Where adverb is inside. Okay. So students, we end this chapter over here. We will meet again with the next chapter. Do subscribe, like, share, and also comment, friends. Thank you.